I wish that there was someone I could call right now. Think you wanted me to fix you, but I don't know how. Thought that if I rose above, I'd never have to come down. Put the pressure on myself so I stop from bleeding now. Bet you wish that there was someone you could call right now. Know you're thinking you can fix it before your time runs out.